we divide 209 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 10 means 20. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this number beside 9 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal and we take 0. Now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes 0. So 209 divided by 2 is 104 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.